Alright, here we go. Rammy, Mr. Miller. This one's for you guys. And all the other gamers out there. Piece number one. Oop, there goes the screw. PlayStation 3. Clear as day. And then my favorite part. Start from the back. Tip forward. And there you go. Here's the PlayStation 3 Blu-ray drive. Looks replaceable. Power supply. Memory card reader. Power thing. Bits and pieces. Yeah. Anyway, there's the inside of a PS3. So I have nowhere to go from here. I'm probably going to end up going to Sony if this doesn't fix anything.